CPD has said Bangladesh merger's decision were not a long-sighted move. The issue here is the security of the customers and depositors. CPD said defaulted loans have more than tripled in the past decade. In the fourth quarter of 2012, the defaulted loans in the banking sector were Taka 42,000 crores, which increased to Taka 1,45,000 crores in the second quarter of the fiscal year 2024. Fahmida Khatun, Executive Director of CPD, presented these facts at an independent review of the development of Bangladesh at the hotel in the capital. These defaulted loans cannot be recovered through public stage management companies. Later, CPD said inflation was over 9% in the last 2 years, but the interest rate on deposit was 6%. As a result, in the last 2 years, people did not get any benefit from keeping money in the bank.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।